sunshine, you're my best times, you're my anomaly. And I'd choose you in 100 lifetimes. I'd choose you in 100 worlds. I'd find you, and I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do, and I will. When the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, every breath you take, I choose you. This is more than just a wedding. This is etched into eternity. With our union, we will move mountains. We will live on our knees. 'Cause he'd choose us in 100 lifetimes. He'd choose us in 100 worlds. He'd find us, and we'd say we do for the rest of our lives. With all that we have, we do, and we will. When the sky turns black and he comes back, riding on the clouds, every day and every moment, every breath we take, we choose you. Look into my eyes, dear. Look into my eyes, dear. 'Cause this is where it starts. Yes, this is where it starts. I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life. I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life. And this is where it starts. And I'll say I do
Happily ever after.
for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do, and I will.
Forever seems like a long time, but nothing seems like a long time when I am with you. I feel like I'm walking on water since the day that I asked your father to let go of his daughter. So give me your blessing, sir. I'll give her all that I've got. Doesn't look like much, but it sure feels like a lot. Let her take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand again and again. Right where we stand.
And who gives this woman to be with this man?
We do.
We do. Shake hands.
I never really know what love is, but whatever it is, I feel it in your kiss. You waltzed in like somebody planned it all. I feel right where
All right. Friends, family, loved ones, we're gathered here today to witness and to celebrate the joining of two lives in holy matrimony. But more than just two lives, two families. As Proverbs 17:17 says, friends love all the time, and kinsfolk are born for times of trouble. When you're down and when life is bleak, family are the people you can count on. The people that see you when the world can't. Family is more than just blood or a piece of paper though. It's work, it's calls at 3 a.m., it's screaming kids and hurt feelings. It's sharing the deepest, darkest parts of yourselves and knowing nothing will change and that you'll be okay in the morning. Family is hard and rough and frustrating, but you still love them for all the little things and all the big things and honestly for everything. And you know that it's shared. And with that, the bride and groom have some vows to share.
Dear Taishanna, I'll always help you know where you left your cell phone, your keys, and your wallet. I promise to be your lover, companion, and friend, your partner in parenthood, your ally in conflict, and your greatest fan and your toughest adversary. Your comrade in adventure, your student, your teacher, and your consolation in disappointment, your accomplice in mischief. This is my sacred vow to you, my equal in all things. All things.
We're not crying, it's just sweat.
He's got something in his eyes, it's allergy. Mark.
That was good to shoot.
I don't have my vows, they got lost. I knew you were a keeper the day that I met you when we went on our first date with Tyr and Chris. And I talked you into going to Andy's. Andy's, y'all know, in Astoria. I had a mental breakdown. I freaked out, but you didn't run. And even with me breaking the hotel rooms the next day. In through the windows. Yes. In through the windows.
To the wall.
You didn't run. Instead, you asked me to be your girlfriend. And you changed my life forever. And I promise to love you and Emma and Colby still as my own. You be patient and calm. You made me a better person and a mom and a stepmom to your kids. I promise to love you through everything, the good and the bad, and to be there for you no matter what. And I'm proud to call you my husband.
Oh, that was beautiful. Do you, Mark Reinhardt, take Taishanna Hamilton to be your lawfully wedded wife, to have and to hold, for better or worse, for richer or poor, in sickness and health, to love and to cherish from this day forth? Taishanna Hamilton, do you take Mark Reinhardt be your lawfully wedded husband, to have and to hold, for better or worse, richer or poorer, in sickness and health, to love and to cherish from this day forth.
Well, in that case, hold on. Hell yeah! Wait!
That was on purpose, too.
That's a big hell yeah.
May we have the rings, please? Mark, take Shanna's hand, place the ring on the finger, and repeat after me. With this ring, I thee wed.
With this ring,
With this ring, I thee wed.
With this ring, I thee wed.
Okay. And now, with the power vested in me by the state of Washington, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. I present to you Mark and Taishanna Reinhardt, husband and wife.